In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversations in Google Gemini. If you want to tidy up your chat history or remove sensitive prompts, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can feel confident about what you're deleting and where to find the options. Start by opening your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Your activity is tied to the account you're using, so being in the right place matters before you make any changes. Next, look for the horizontal lines icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. It usually appears near the top of the screen. Click it to expand the navigation panel. From there, head into Settings. This is where Gemini keeps all the privacy and activity controls, so it's the right spot for managing past conversations. Inside Settings, open the Activity section. Think of this as your conversation history hub. Here, you'll see the tools you need to remove chats. You have two main choices, and you can use either depending on what you want to achieve. If your goal is to clean up older history in one go, choose the option to delete activity older than 18 months. This is a quick way to clear long-term data without touching your most recent interactions. When you click it, you may be asked to confirm the action. Take a moment to review, then confirm to proceed. This helps reduce clutter while keeping newer conversations available. If you prefer to remove specific items, use the Other Delete button in the Activity section. Select the individual conversation you want to remove, then click Delete. If there are selection boxes, choose the single item you intend to delete and proceed. Again, you may see a confirmation prompt, confirm to finalize the removal. This method is ideal when you only want to delete a particular chat rather than a whole range of older activity. After you delete, refresh the page or return to the activity view to verify that the conversation is gone. You can repeat the process as needed until your history looks the way you want. A few quick tips to wrap up. Deletions are typically permanent, so double-check you're removing the right items. The steps are similar whether you're on desktop or mobile. And if you don't immediately see these options, confirm you're in the Activity section within Settings. That's it. Now you know how to delete conversations in Google Gemini quickly and safely.